Here I have a one-day chalet clock with the woodsman on it. I'm going to take this clock off. It also has a chimney back here. It's got some pine trees, a bench, a dog, some deer on this side. It has the nighttime shut-off, the newer model nighttime shut-off lever. Let me take it off the wall and show you the back. Here's the movement for this clock, and there it's marked 25D. 25 identifies it as a one-day cuckoo clock. They started using those identification marks in 1970. The D, I believe, is from 2016. Stand by, let me verify that. Here's the manufacturing code. The D says it was made in 1973, 1993, or 2013. I believe that this clock was made in 2013. Now this came from the Cuckoo Clock Repair Manual, but if you search Cuckoo Clock date code in Google, you'll find it. It's on the NAWCC webpage. It's a beautiful clock. Now when you take a clock off the wall, I suggest that you raise the weights all the way up, take the pendulum off, and when you put it back on the wall, if it's in beat, you move it until you can get this cuckoo clock pendulum leader wire. You stop it with your fingers, you let it go, and if it starts back up, you have it in beat. And you want to do this several times, because if you stop it in the wrong position like that right there, it's not in beat. So I need to move it just a bit. Like I said, stop it several times, and if it continues ticking away, you put the pendulum back on and your clock will stay running. That clock will stay running because it's in beat. I hope you all like this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And God bless.